How to reset school Chromebook. Now I'm gonna give you step-by-step instruction, or I'll walk you through on how to reset your school Chromebook. Okay, from here. So the first thing you want to do is you need to fully shut down your school Chromebook. Now once your school Chromebook is fully shut down, you need to press three keys all at once, starting with the escape button plus F5 and then the power button. This has to be together. Now once you press on this one, there will be a pop-up on your screen. All you just have to do is press Control plus D. Once you've done that, there will be a pop-out that says to turn OS verification off. Press enter. Your system will reboot and local data will be cleared. Now once you hit on enter, there will be a loading screen and then there will be a beeping sound, a two beeping sound. Once you press on that, you just gotta go ahead and press space to re-enable it, and then it will go to preparing for developer mode, and you will hear again another two beeps, and then you'll just have to click on or press on space to re-enable it again, and then enter. It will automatically reboot by itself, and then once the school Chromebook is rebooted, it will go back to from where it started. It will go to a brand new school Chromebook. So you just have resetted all of it, and then that's how to reset school Chromebook.